Lately, I felt like streaming is not for me. I'm doing everything streamers and YouTubers say to do. I stream on a schedule, I always talk, I don't stream popular games. Heck, I even created my mom an account just so I can have a consistent viewer. Thanks, Mom. And yet, day in and day out, I see no change in my growth, just viewers coming and going.
Dom.
Not now. What up, Dom?
Yo, Ant, I got an idea. I was watching your stream and I think I know what your stream is missing.
Another idea, Dom? What is it?
You need to stop being a faceless channel and show your face on stream. It's the only way to get viewers to come back and so you can grow.
That's what you call me for, bro? I literally have no money to buy a webcam, and I hate being on camera. You know that.
What you need money for? You got a phone with a nice camera, you need to use it. Look, if you want to grow, you need to get your scary Tom and No Jerry having self and get out your Franklin Turtle shell. You need to figure out how to use your phone camera, and you need to do it before your next stream, period.
Bro, get off my line. Out of all the ideas he's given me, this might be a good one, but I don't know if I'm ready to show my face. But I do have an expensive phone, so I set out on a mission to see if I can make it happen before my stream starts in 3 hours. I wonder if I could just plug my phone directly into my computer and that will work. But nothing happened. I knew that would have been too easy. This is gonna be a little bit more challenging than I thought, and I'm literally running out of time. So I turned to my second mom, Google, how can I turn my phone into a webcam for free? 100% free? I wonder if it's legit, okay? It says live video for your smartphone, but how? So after spending the next 20 minutes learning how to use this tool, I was ready to test it out for myself. Okay, so one link is for my phone and the other is for OBS. No way it worked, but the camera looks horrible. I can't go live looking like this. Everyone will make fun of me. I'd rather be a faceless channel.
Babe, dinner's ready.
So, I know that you told me that we weren't supposed to, but today, I looked up a whole bunch of dogs that are available and they're so cute. And I totally think that
there has to be a way to make the camera look better, but I'm running out of time. I have to go live in an hour.
Hello? Babe.
I'm already nervous about showing my face. Maybe I should just give up on this. Anthony, don't let roadblocks stop you from moving forward. You're letting fear win. You already figured out how to turn your phone into a webcam. So what's stopping you from making your phone quality look good? Don't give up. You got this. You're right. I can do this. So I stumbled across this article and it told me that I need to go ahead and add a filter inside of OBS. So I found the color correction filter, adjusted the gamma, adjusted the brightness, made a little tweaks to the saturation, and now let's see if this actually works. Wow, I did it. The stream starts in 5 minutes. I have to go live. Wow, this is so hard. People can be so mean. I'm not ready for the trolls and the judgment. What if the quality of my camera could be better? Anthony, it doesn't matter what other people think. Don't let others' opinions become your reality. You were created with your uniqueness and people are waiting for you to show it. You have to lean into the fear and press go live. You're right. What am I so afraid of? In the end, I realized you need to live your life for yourself, not for anyone else. Don't let the fear of being judged, rejected, or disliked stop you from being yourself.